How to deactivate your Instagram Threads account easy and quick. If you want to deactivate it, it's easy. All you have to do first, open a Threads application and then click here to go to your profile, and after that click this two lines here in the top corner, and now once you're here all you have to do click account, and then you will find it, deactivate profile, and that's it. Now just click deactivate Threads profile, and that's it, your account will be activated. And that's it, it's easy, you can activate it whenever you want, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.